So today I'm going to put a replacement head on my trimmer. It's a Cub Cadet BC 490, and after 2 years, this is the third season with it. I finally had a problem with it. I use it probably, I don't know, 6 hours per month. So it gets quite a bit of use. The problem with it is that where the string exits, there's a round metal ring. You can see it on this side. It's in place. Somehow that came out, and once that happened, then the string gets caught in between this crevice here. So the only way to fix that is to replace it. I guess if you had a round ring, you might be able to fix it, but it seems like it's all getting loose, and see how it's getting loose, so it needs to be replaced. You need a 19 millimeter open end wrench. I tried a crescent wrench, a adjustable jaw wrench, but the jaws were too wide to fit in there. But it turns out this is a 19 millimeter. And then if you look right here, there's a slot on the side, and then a hole right in there. You place a screwdriver into that slot, and that way you can lock the trimmer head. Grease. So we'll just lock this in the slot. Get our wrench on there, and it broke right free. Should be able to spin that off. Good coat of grease on there. This is splined, so we'll put that back just like it went. And this should spin right back on there. Okay. Shouldn't have to tighten it too much. It should spin in the direction that tightens it down. So it looks like we're all set. It's a good repair. If you found this video helpful, hit like and subscribe. Thank you.